Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition. Weekend edition Saturday, November the 30th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles: the 4-star Sudoku, Kilo Sudoku, and it's time for the binary. Yes, we have two puzzles left: Jigsaw Sudoku and this one, the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 9685. Before I start, I always count the print the digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. And, yeah. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two ones comes no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two ones comes no. Double O's, here one, there one. Then between two O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Then, yeah. Come on. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, now I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And here we have 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need an O and a 1 here. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same for here. O and a 1. Same for here. 1 and an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, same for here. O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. O and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's our O and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. O and a 1. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowing one of the rules, so this can mean, oh, this should be a 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be a 1. This should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1s, here no, there no. And double O's, here 1, there 1. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. 6 minutes without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for this Saturday. The Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.